Hello guys, and welcome to another Premiere Pro tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create a rolling frame transition effect in Premiere Pro. So over here on my timeline, I've got two clips that I would like to apply this effect to. So the first thing I will do is to make equal cuts on both sides between the two clips. So from here I'm going to hold on to Shift and count 10 frames backward by holding the back arrow and counting it 10 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, let me make that 20 frames. So I'm going to add 10 more. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now I'm going to hit on my razor tool here and I'm going to cut this clip. Now I'm going to move this playhead back to the center over here and hold on to my Shift key and count 20 frames forward by hitting the right arrow 20 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Alright guys, that's it. So I'm going to hit on cut, hit on my selection tool over here. Now I'm going to select these both clips, right click and hit next to next them and hit OK. Now the next thing you're going to do is to come over to your effects tab and under your video effects distort, you search for your offset, drag the offset and place it onto your nested clip over here. Now under your effects control tab, make sure your playhead is moved to the beginning of your nested clip and scroll down to your offset. Now under your offset and under Shift Center tool, you're going to select your toggle on key over here and move over to the end and increase your Y value. Increase the Y axis to between -2000 to -3000. So I'm going to move this to minus. So I place this at -2500, but I'm noticing here that what I actually want is for the frame to balance here. So I'm going to move it a little bit higher until it's completely covered. Now I'm going to move this to the end. Now if I move from the beginning and hit play, you can see what we have created. Alright guys, so the next thing you want to do is to move back to your effects tab over here and search for the transform effect. Now drag this transform effect and place it onto your nested clip and move down under your transform effects. Move your playhead to the beginning of your clip once more, and under your scale, toggle on your scale at 100%. Move a few frames forward and change it from 100 to 90%. You move close to the end of your clip and select this diamond icon over here to add another keyframe at 90% and move it to the end of your clip and return it back to 100%. Make sure that the last keyframe is at the end of your clip. And if we hit play from here now, you can see what we have created. Alright guys, so you move over to your project panel over here and you hit on this new item icon and hit new adjustment layer and hit OK. And you drag this new adjustment layer onto your timeline over here and drag it to fit your nested clip over here. Now move over to your effects library and search for the directional blur effect and apply this effect onto your adjustment layer over here. Now change your blur length to 15%. And if we hit this from the beginning, you can see what we have created now. Thank you so much guys for watching this tutorial to the end. I hope you found this tutorial very useful. If you did, kindly hit the subscribe button and don't forget to drop your feedbacks in the comment section. Thank you and see you guys in my next video tomorrow.